Northland Forestry grows predominantly radiata pine, with a small portion in eucalypts, acacia hardwoods and other minor species. Radiata pine is a general-purpose wood, suitable for a wide range of end uses, from structural to visual grade. There are around 196,000 hectares of radiata pine in Northland, which is approximately 11% of the total area. Northland has a reputation for growing amongst the highest density wood in New Zealand. The high-density timber produced makes stronger structural timber and engineered wood products and is in high demand. High-density wood is grown because of the warmer climate in Northland compared to the rest of New Zealand. This allows the tree to grow all year, creating a lesser differential between late and early wood. This evenness of growth is also helped by close proximity to the sea and sandy soils. Other key advantages the area enjoys are availability of labour, an established core of support trades for forest harvesting, and the several processing plants in the area. New Zealand is advanced with automated technology in the primary and secondary industries. Forest ownership is diverse and ranges from large corporate forestry companies to individual woodlot owners. In 2013, production's predicted to be 3.9 to 4.1 million tonnes, which is close to the predicted sustainable annual harvest rate. Log processors in the region currently consume about 1.7 million cubic metres of pine log per annum to produce over 460,000 cubic metres of sawn timber, 425,000 cubic metres of engineered wood products, 40,000 cubic metres of posts and poles, and a large volume of wood chip annually. Northland has one of the largest uncommitted pine resources available for processing. This includes logging, sawmilling, wood chipping, veneer and plywood manufacture. Globally, there are shortages of pine projected. Northland's pine resource is renowned for its high strength and stiffness, and the region has a large surplus volume of mid to low-grade logs that are currently exported in log form due to the lack of suitably developed processing capacity in the region. Northport is New Zealand's second largest export facility for forest products, handling nearly 2 million metric tonnes of logs alone in the 2011-12 financial year. This deep-water port at Marsden Point, Whangarei, provides a strategic advantage to the region. The high density of logs and increasing forestry industry base, along with land availability and close proximity to Northport, drove Carter Holt Harvey Limited to establish their largest laminated veneer lumber plant in Northland. This facility has an annual output in excess of 100,000 cubic metres. They export a significant portion of their production, with everything sold in advance. The 225 employees operate 24 hours with 4 shifts per day, 7 days a week, with the site at full capacity. Roswell Sawmill Limited is a modern timber processing plant, specialising in cutting radiata pine, targeting clearwood and structural production. Roswell also has an on-site kiln complex, a CCA pressure treatment plant and planer mill. They're exporting around 50% of production all over the world, utilising the high-density Northland timber, which has a reputation as dimensionally stable with less checking. This facility is locally owned and has been operating for over 40 years, currently employing around 50 staff. Their high-tech, computerised facility produces 140 cubic metres per day. Every part of the tree is processed, with chip exported to Japan for paper, bark sold for landscaping, and sawdust going to local manufacturing plants for fuel production. North Sawn Lumber Limited operates a timber processing and treatment facility at Ruakaka. The treatment facility is the largest privately owned operation by volume in New Zealand. This facility has the most modern and efficient treatments in the country and is capable of treating over 1,000 cubic metres of timber in just 24 hours. The plant has up to 50 truck movements per day. The North Sawn Lumber produces weatherboard cladding mouldings and many other high-grade appearance products for both the domestic and export markets. The company exports fully treated or primed lumber via the adjacent deepwater port. Duke New Zealand has been heavily involved with New Zealand's forestry and wood processing industries for the past 20 years, manufacturing advanced and innovative wood products such as veneer and triboards for the local and export markets. This New Zealand-based and registered company benefited by a Japan-based parent company which has invested over $700 million into New Zealand. There are many other successful timber companies processing timber in Northland, and all facilities are in place to see this industry grow steadily into the future.